Okay, so here's how you can play against bots in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So first click on multiplayer, then go all the way down to find a match. Now you have several options for multiplayer. We want to focus on the private match. It's the last option, click on it. And now on the top right, you can create a private match. Click on it again, and then the server is about to set up. It takes for around 15 seconds. Now these options are unlocked, then click on game setup, select your game mode first. For example, click confirmed, the map, we want to play red card, and the settings here are all to customize your bot game fully. So click through these options and then go back, and now you have the option on the top right on the pluses to add some bots. So we want to add 4 bots in our team on difficulty regular, and click on confirm. As you can see, they are now in team 1, and then you can add the same for the enemy's team. Select your difficulty, for example hardened, and now you can see we have created this game already. Now you can also select the difficulty for every single bot by its own, or even remove it. Then go back. You just have to click on the play button. And the game is about to begin in 5 seconds. And then you can just play against bots and test out weapons, test out things without destroying your multiplayer KD. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.